Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition, and I am doing a add-on called Angry Mobs. In this add-on, every single passive mob this gets you. Ow! Yeah, hope villagers. I haven't checked villagers. But mobs do have the same health. They are not stronger nor weaker. Okay, thank you. Oh, you want some of this? Oh! Whoa! Cows want villagers? Well, I guess villagers are like... Ow. Is there a blacksmith anywhere? I need a sword. Ow! Whoa, I never seen a bird fallen log. Okay, I'm safe. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I want to explore a bit and see what I can do. Ooh, cool. Oh, you want some of this? Want some of this raw pork? Want some of this bacon? Huh, bacon? Oh, I killed your friend. You want some of this? Want some of this? I'm a squid. Squids are deadly. Sky does Minecraft. I'll get you one day, and I'll eat your gold. Your precious butter. I'll eat your precious butter. I want Sky's head. I want Sky's. Oh God. You know what, beef? I'm hungry. I'm a squid. Can't handle this. I'm a squid. Okay, that took forever. I want to see, I'm going to go in creative for a little bit. I'm going to spawn a lot of mobs and see how I survive. And there's a witch hut. Right? Oh yeah, I have my texture pack on. My very own texture pack. That took forever. Where's the cows? Cows. I'm blind. Okay, cows. Okay, I'm gonna get a block. I'm just gonna spam the cows. I might crash, so I'm pretty scared. Oh my. Oh, I can't see. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, guys. Please like, because I do not want to die. But I'm doing this for you guys. So please appreciate what I'm doing. Ow! Let me down! Oh my! I went up. The cows freaking gangbanged me. And then, oh my God, it's so laggy. Stop. Hey. Another madness. Wow. Wow. Bruh. They kicked me out. I thought I lived. The lag saved me. I can't even enter the village without lag. Can I enter the village without lag, please? Oh. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. I am scared. I'm itchy. I was trying to wait for the lag. Oh no. No. I can't go up there. I'm gonna rage. I'm not good at raging. Is it this way? Nope. Yep, this way. And here's the lag. Oh no. No. Oh my god. What a perfect time to lag. I think one of the cows got out. I got a cold. I'm trying to kill as many as I can. Okay, this is ridiculous. Okay, guys. So I might as well just end it here. There's nothing pretty much else to show. I had fun. I died a lot, if you know. But I would like to say goodbye. So this is my custom made skin. If I want to show. It took forever. But bye, guys. Love you. And have fun.